In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the header on your Squarespace website, a vital aspect in defining your site's look and feel. A well-designed header can make a significant impact on your visitor's first impression, so let's ensure yours communicates exactly what you want. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account and navigate to your website editor. The website editor is your central hub for making any stylistic and structural changes to your site. Once there, you'll notice various sections you can tweak, and today we're specifically focusing on the header. Next, click on Edit Site Header to access all the customizable options for your site's header. This area will serve as your canvas where you can add or adjust elements to better fit the aesthetic or functional needs of your brand. Now, find the option to Add Elements. This feature allows you to customize what appears in your header, such as social media icons, a contact button, or even a tagline. Select the elements that align with your brand's goals and provide the best user experience for your visitors. From there, head over to Edit Design. This is where the fun begins, as you can modify the layout and size of the header. This step is crucial for ensuring your design is both visually appealing and navigable. Consider the arrangement of elements in relation to one another to maintain a balanced and professional appearance. Proceed by clicking on Design. In this section, you can experiment with different header styles and configurations. Customize fonts, spacing, and even animations to subtly capture your audience's attention and make your website stand out. Now, direct your attention to the Color option. Here, you can adjust the color palette of your header to match your site's theme or your personal branding. Whether you're going for bold, vibrant hues or a more muted, elegant scheme, remember that consistency across your site will enhance your overall aesthetic and improve brand recognition. After fine-tuning the design, click on Site Title and Logo. This is where you can either add or update your site's title and logo to better reflect your brand identity. Ensure your logo is clear and appropriately sized for the header. A professional-looking title and logo can significantly enhance your site's credibility. If you wish to make additional changes, simply click Edit next to any section you desire. This might include refining the text or updating links. Don't hesitate to make precise adjustments to ensure every aspect of your header is exactly to your liking. Finally, you'll want to look at the navigation bar. By selecting Edit here, you can arrange and rename your site's main pages or categories, making it easier for visitors to find what they're looking for. Once you're satisfied with your changes, don't forget to click Save to apply all the edits you've made. Saving your work ensures that all your hard-earned adjustments will be live, giving your audience the best possible experience when they visit your site. And there you have it. You've successfully edited your Squarespace site header. With these new updates, your site is now more polished and visually cohesive, ready to engage and inform your audience effectively. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time for more helpful Squarespace tips.